This is Rainbow Six Siege on PlayStation 4. Home to a community of millions of dedicated players. Over the years, it's only got better and better, with free content expansions, new operators, extra maps, limited events, new weapons, and much, much more. But it's still missing one important thing. You. Are you gonna be this good straight away? No. But don't panic. You'll pick it up as you go along. Train yourself up, then battle real-life opponents in the newcomer playlist. Experiment with operators. Adapt weapons and gadgets to the way you play. Learn the maps, strategize on the fly, and communicate. Pretty soon you'll be defusing bombs, rescuing hostages, and securing areas with the best of them. Will you lose a lot? Yes. But when you get that win, you'll have earned it. And you'll want to earn it again and again and again. This is Rainbow Six Siege on PS4. It's never too late to join.
Of an ancient legend about two great dragon brothers, the dragon of the North Wind and the dragon of the South Wind. Together, they upheld balance and harmony in the heavens. Argued over who could better rule their land. Their quarrel turned to rage and their violent struggle darkened the skies, until the dragon of the South Wind struck down his brother, who fell to earth, shattering the land. The South Wind had triumphed, but as time passed and he realized his solitude, the sweetness of victory turned to ash. For years, the bereft dragon's grief threw the world into discord, and he knew only bitterness and sorrow. One day, a stranger called up to the dragon and asked, "O Dragon Lord, why are you so distraught?" The dragon told him, "Seeking power, I killed my brother, but without him, I am lost." The stranger replied, "You have inflicted wounds upon yourself. But now, you must heal. Walk the earth on 2 feet as I do. Find value in humility. Then, you will find peace."
You are not the first assassin sent to kill me. And you will not be the last.
You are bold to come to Shimara Castle, the den of your enemies.
This was once my home. Did your masters not tell you who I was?
I know who you are, Hanzo. I know you come here every year on the same day. You risk so much to honor someone you murdered.
You know nothing of what happened.
that you have to kill him to maintain order. That it was your duty.
It was my duty and my burden. That does not mean I do not honor him.
You think you honor your brother Genji with incense and offerings? Honor resides in one's actions.
You dare to lecture me about honor? You are not worthy to say his name! You ga waga teki wo kurau! Ryujin no ken wo kure! Only a Shamada can control the dragons. Who are you? Do it then. Kill me.
No. I will not grant you the death you wish for. You still have a purpose in this life, brother.
No. No. My brother is dead. Genji.
The dragon knelt upon the ground.
Pack your bags. We're moving to a new arena. I'm like, whatever. Like, I'm afraid of another planet. What was that?
Chill, brother. Just a minor turbulence. Totally normal for these parts.
Anyway, I've been saying all along we needed a change of scenery. We're gonna need to find whoever took the tower down and buy them a drink.
Why don't you just ask the new guy?
What, he ain't too bad of a hacker. Knows everything about anything.
Hey, buddy. I hear you're the second smartest guy in the Outlands. Wink. Come on, what are you, hiding something?
Kid's got some moves.
Seriously? Hope you know how to count, kid.
Try and keep up, old man.
Man.
I'm a true boy.
That's three.
For Arthur.
This new guy better not mess up my stats. Or my awesome hair.
Sorry, brother. That's 7.
I approve of this new planet.